How do I get around restrictions? Lavar, how do I get around restrictions? I keep getting hit with restricted products. How do I get around this? What do I do? What do I do?
Game over. Money stacking for too long, spilling over.
There's a few different routes you can go about getting unrestricted, guys. One of them obviously is asking Amazon for approval. So with asking Amazon for approval, they may or not approve you right away. If it's not something that's just dramatically like so intense, when I say that, like a brand that's just holding their brand dearly so close, or like pharmaceuticals or something you put in your mouth, Amazon may just ungate you or unrestrict you just overnight. Like, it's that simple. Get a restricted product that you know is restricted and try to upload it via Seller Central. You know, through your Seller Central, go to add a product, upload a restricted product, and then it'll tell you can't upload this because it's restricted. Then you just click the little button under that product, ask for approval. It'll say something like that. You just click it. Now, Amazon may or may not make you jump through hoops. And that is what we don't know. But if they do make you jump through hoops, then that just means you have to have an invoice from a supplier that Amazon trusts. Now, if you're gonna go through all that and find a supplier that Amazon trusts, who you're telling them, look, I'm getting these types of products from these types of suppliers that you do trust Amazon, if you're gonna do that, then you might as well do wholesale, because then it's a whole nother ball game. So that's why I haven't really got anything ungated yet. But I'm looking into that. I'm looking for actually suppliers that Amazon trusts. Alright, guys, so that's that. And then the quick way, in which I think anyone should do anyways, is you have to sell on multiple platforms. You cannot be a professional seller if you're just selling on one platform, right? Now, I'm saying that even about myself. I just opened the eBay account because I had one a long time ago, but I just reopened one because I need to get more familiar with eBay, more familiar. I sell stuff on Facebook Marketplace as well, guys. I sell stuff on Facebook Marketplace, now eBay, and Amazon. If you're gonna resell, guys. Like, really crush it. Don't just limit yourself to one platform like Amazon. Like, although Amazon may be one of the best, there's like pros and cons to all different methods of selling or reselling, guys, on different platforms. Facebook has its pros and cons, eBay has its pros and cons, and Amazon definitely has its pros and cons. Alright, guys, so sell on multiple platforms, and that is honestly what I think everybody should do anyway. Even if you don't care about getting unrestricted, or if it's too hard, you feel like to get unrestricted, then sell on multiple platforms, guys. You can sell big brand name products on eBay as long as you're not doing any counterfeit, like shady stuff, which I don't recommend, guys. Alright, I want to make this video really quick. I don't know if you hear my little nugget over there. She's crying because she's hungry. Yeah, guys, so and I keep saying this, but I have to say it again. If you see me looking at the top, it's because the screen is at the top and the lens is right here, and I just see myself, so I keep looking up there. I don't know why, so don't think I'm crazy if you see me just like all like this and stuff. Alright, guys, but anyways, I think everybody should have an eBay account, sell on Facebook Marketplace, sell on even Craigslist if you know what you're doing. I mean, guys, it is key to have multiple platforms. Like, if you're gonna call yourself, or if you're gonna think about making millions, then you should utilize all the platforms. If you want to just be a reseller, like if you want to make your money just reselling and nothing else, then you need multiple platforms, guys. You should have multiple platforms if you're gonna be like a professional reseller. Like, you can't be, that's like saying I'm gonna be a professional basketball player but I just know how to dunk. No, if you're a professional basketball player, you have to have multiple ways of showing your professionalism, right? Maybe you dunk and you beast at defense and you know how to dribble, right? Or maybe you can shoot 3-pointers and you're a beast at getting assists, and you're a beast at whatever. You guys get what I'm saying, right? So if you're gonna be a professional reseller, multiple platforms. Alright, guys, but if not, then you don't need to do anything and just sell on Amazon, make your little bit of money. And when I say a little bit of money, 1307 for the week. It's Friday. 368 for the day. I mean, it's okay. Let's put it up. Like, $1,200 a week is a little bit of money. Once you get the ball rolling and understanding how to do this, like, that's just a little bit of money. People making that in a day, you know, that takes this like professional. I'm doing a little damage, you know what I mean? But I have other avenues. Like, guess what, guys? Out of me making, let's just for the sake of it, let's say 1,000 of that is all profits. Let's just say 1,000 is all profits. I'm not gonna put half back into retail arbitrage. I am not going to put half of that back into retail arbitrage. Eventually, yeah, I probably spend $500 in retail arbitrage. But for me, right away, it's not like I take 500, invest it back into retail arbitrage. No, I take about, maybe out of that 1,000, I'll take 300 to 200 back into retail arbitrage because of the places I'm shopping right now. And that's just me. And I'm not like full-time trying to make $1 million just from reselling. Like, there's guys out there that's doing that, but they invest more back into it. Me, I'm taking a lot of that money and I'm focusing on other little business ideas, like Shopify print on demand, merch by Amazon. That's another print on demand, but that's Amazon service for print on demand, right? And get this, guys, just to touch on that real quick. You imagine making a design for a specific niche or genre, right? Let's say people that love coffee. You make a cool coffee t-shirt, right? Original. You don't want to steal anybody's ideas. You make an original coffee t-shirt and then you post it on Amazon's merch by Amazon website, which is just Amazon.com. So when somebody types in coffee t-shirt, right, yours pops up on the first page or whatever, wherever they just see yours, and yours starts to, like, people are like, oh my god, I like that coffee t-shirts, I love coffee, or my husband loves coffee, I'm getting this for him, right? Guess what's gonna happen? You don't pay for inventory, you don't pay for anything, nothing at all. All you do is design, and once you design, somebody finds your shirt, you get paid. It's not like you have to pay for a website, you don't have to pay for inventory, you don't have to pay for anything unless you're paying a designer to help you design, right? And you don't need to do that. You should be designing your own t-shirt, right? So really, all you're doing is making t-shirts and sitting back and waiting to make money. Zero risk, guys, unless you're doing something like stealing people's ideas, like you're putting the Hulk on your t-shirt. Well, then you're gonna go to jail. So don't do that. Do any of you guys know Ty Lopez? If you do, go like this. If you do, say yes. And I know I can't see you, but just if you know Ty Lopez, then you know what I'm talking about. He advertises, like, or teaches or promotes the use of, like, building Facebook agencies, right, where you find local companies and you do their Facebook marketing for them, or their online marketing, and you charge them $1,000 to $2,000 a month to handle that, right, or 1 to 10, or whatever the case may be. I do a little bit of that too, but the way I do it is completely different, because remember what I told you guys in one of my earlier videos. I said, listen to these big dogs that are making millions of dollars. Yeah, you listen, but then you make it your own. And when I made it my own, I've been seeing a lot, guys, to be honest, that business model right there that I'm talking about may make me my first $1 million faster than all of them, right? I'm not saying I can't make $1 million anywhere else. I'm just saying faster than all of them, guys, because the way I'm doing it is, I'll tell you in another video. If you want to know about that, then just comment down below and say, yes, explain this to me, because it's a step-by-step way that I'm doing it, like nobody else, or I haven't seen anyone doing it like this. And yes, I've been getting money from this, real checks, real cash, on a residual and passive way, guys. But that is just another big thing. If you want to know about that, comment down below. So anyways, guys, I know I went off on a rant here, but I'm just trying to help the family out. So to get around restrictions, back to the real question, is just sell on multiple platforms if you don't want to jump through the hoops that Amazon will make you jump through, maybe, but you can always ask. Wait. By the way, I have so many testimonials coming in on retail arbitrage. You guys are killing it, and I'm so happy to see y'all killing it. That's what I'm talking about. Hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and comment down below for questions or whatever you want me to answer. Comment down below, and you may see that in the next video. Peace and love. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we out.